Hey everyone, welcome to Tech It or Leave It Reviews. My name is Francis, and for this episode, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech C270 Webcam. Originally priced at 1,750 pesos, but I got a sweet discount because it was on sale and I only paid 1,500 pesos including delivery. I trust the Logitech brand because I have a Bluetooth mouse for about 5 years already and it still works. So with the price, plus the quality and the duration of use, I can say that this brand is so good and swaks a budget. The camera is 720p over 320 frames per second and gives a widescreen format for HD video calls. The Logitech C270 Webcam gives the flexibility that goes beyond built-in. While unboxing, you can see that I had a little bit of trouble getting the sticker seal out. So I think it's plus points because aside from the design of the box being straightforward, being it so secured, I can see that, the camera inside is safe, nothing is broken, and it is compact. I opted to invest in a webcam because my laptop built-in camera isn't capturing quality videos that I wanted. I've been doing a lot of online calls, so I'm glad that this product is great. Nothing's broken, and then everything is safe and secured when I got it.
Everything is safe and secured.
I promise to handle the next unboxing video with greater care next time. Back to the camera, it's USB powered and is compatible across all operating systems. Turning it on is as easy as a plug and play. The design of the camera is pretty slick. I like that the product is wrapped in plastic. I can ensure that there are no scratches during delivery. The cord has a pretty decent length. You can connect it to any of your ports of choice with the freedom to position it anywhere as long as you can reach it. The product also comes with a manual that we probably won't be reading as well. You can easily position the camera in your work areas because it has a triangular stand that you can place on top of your monitors or any surface that you want to hook it. I find it very convenient because there's no need to find a stand or any sticky material to keep the camera in place. Giving you a better close-up, the camera is also adjustable to any angle that you need it to be and comes with a built-in noise-reducing microphone. Personally, I wouldn't suggest that you depend on the built-in mic if you're into recording better quality for audio. If you're gonna use it for basic calls, the microphone is only average, not best, but it's good enough for its price. Getting into video quality, here is an example of a footage taken from the camera. What's great about this is that you can use it to all other apps like Google Meet, Discord, Messenger, and Snapchat. I'm actually using a filter right now. They said that you can scale and zoom without actually harming the resolution, so I tried through editing and technically it looks good. The view is tighter for me. I think the camera is great for streaming if you're gonna display your video in a smaller view, but if you're gonna do it full screen, I wouldn't suggest that you stick with this camera. Here's the current position of my webcam. I place it above my old laptop webcam. It's fairly easy to connect and enable. It also matches the feel of my laptop, the color black, and I can see that the camera is in use if there's a yellow light on the camera. The last thing I tested is focus. Sadly, this camera has only a fixed focus, so even if I place my Bluetooth earphones in front of it, it always comes out blurry. So it's not really for those videos that you need to feature some items. But in summary, accounting all the factors when it comes to a webcam, I would say that this is good for basic recording or video calls and online meetings. If you're comparing it to the regular built-in camera, this one has better quality hands down. But if you're gonna use it for a higher level of videos and audio quality, I would suggest you investing on a higher priced camera or get an external microphone like what I'm doing right now. But for its price and for its functionalities, this is definitely worth it. So if you want a camera for less than 1,500 pesos, go check out Logitech C270 Webcam. Thank you for watching this video. This has been Tech or Leave It, finding your true passion in tech, one episode at a time. Make sure to check out all our other videos and follow us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much and take care. Bye!